Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a review and demonstration of the Ovente electric kettle 1.7 liter cordless hot water boiler. And hopefully I can answer any of the questions you might have and get to show off a couple of its features that it has. So first, the Ovente water boiler, this version, it's all white. As you can see, it has a lid that if you press this button, it opens and closes. And right here, where my thumb is, this is where the power button is. This particular model is the 1.7 liter. That's the max that it'll hold. And right now, I already have it plugged in to the base that comes also included with this model. And so all you have to do is, whenever you get ready, set the unit on top of the base, press and hold down the button, it'll pop open the lid, and then I'll have some water right here just to give you guys a demonstration to show you exactly how it works. We close the lid. And right now I have it about half a liter, and that's more than enough to boil this water. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the button, give you guys a quick demonstration and show you how fast it heats up. You can see the little light there, it lights up for just a little bit, and it works really fast. As you can see, it's heated up nice and quickly. As soon as it's done, the light goes off. Just to show you. Water is boiled. So there you go. Very convenient for when you don't have a stove available. Just plug this right in and warm yourself up some hot boiling water for some tea or some coffee.